Making the right decision for your commercial roof can save you thousands. A full replacement isn't always the answer. At AC Inc. Roofing, we start with a detailed inspection. We check the roof's structural integrity, insulation, and drainage. Then we recommend the best solution for you. Many property owners assume they need a full replacement, but high-quality restorations like silicone or acrylic coatings can extend the roof's life by 10 to 20 years. At a fraction of the cost, one HOA we worked with saved thousands by going with restoration. They got long-term protection and stayed within budget. Every roof is different. Let us help you find the solution.